Chapter 2.
Get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you took it down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me.
Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Alana. I would love for you guys to hit that subscribe button down below so you guys can become a part of the family. And if you're returning, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell, I have my hair out. You guys can see it looks a little wild right now. That is because we are doing a V-part wig install. I've really been growing to love V-part wigs, and I especially love the curly ones. So I have not washed this wig. I'm just gonna work with this wig straight out of the box. I already showed y'all the construction of the cap. It has about 2 combs on each side. It has a comb right here in the middle. It also has an elastic band, and it also has a comb in the back as well. So you guys can see it is a V-part. This is a kinky curly V-part wig, so I'm really excited for these curls. These curls are gonna be super popping. Also really excited about this wig is because it almost mimics my real hair, so I feel like this is gonna blend in with my hair very easily. So I am gonna do a leave out, get started with this wig. So this wig shouldn't really take that long. I'm gonna shape up the wig a little bit to give it some shape, and I'm gonna use some products to get these curls super popping. So let's get started. So I'm just gonna part my hair in the middle as best as I can get it right now, and then I'm gonna leave out just a little bit of hair because I don't want too much leave out, to be honest. I just want just enough. So I'm just gonna part my hair right here in the middle. Like, this looks like a little bit too much leave out for me personally, and I don't want this much leave out because I just feel like with this wig you really don't need a lot of leave out. I mean, it's your personal preference, but me, I just don't want too much leave out. So I think about right here should be good for my leave out. What I'm gonna do is just tie this up, and then for the rest of my hair we're gonna braid it up, twist it up, whatever. I think I'm just gonna put some braids in here real quick and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I just decided to do 2 big twists with my natural hair. So now what I'm gonna do is just clip this wig on. So like I said, it has 2 clips in the front right here. So I'm just gonna clip this as close as I can to my leave out. This is what it's giving so far. I know it's giving, I don't know, y'all, what is it giving? It looks like my hair, doesn't it? I'm gonna start by what should I do? I'm trying to think. Layering it, kind of like shaping it to my face. We're gonna do this towards the end of the install, but what I'm gonna do now is kind of just give it some shape because right now I just feel like a little flat. Not like hair scissors, so I don't know how this is gonna cut, but I'm just gonna cut a little bit of this. So basically what I'm doing is just trying to shape the hair, give it some body, some fullness. It can literally like mimic my real hair. And I don't want to cut too much because I really don't want to mess up the hair. This side is supposed to give some shape, but I'm going to do the same thing to this side. Hopefully I didn't mess it up. But I don't think it looks that bad. So now what I'm going to do is start defining these curls. I was watching another girl's install on YouTube, so I seen that she used the Cantu curl activating cream and she used mousse. So I'm going to do the same thing for my wig as well. And she also used a brush as she was working the product into her wig. So do the same steps that she did because her wig came out so fire, y'all. Like, it was so cute. If I could find her video, I'm going to link it down below. But she used her Cantu, so I'm gonna use this Cantu. I got this from Walmart, by the way. I'm just gonna work this product in. I did one side of my head, and so far it's looking pretty to see that. I'm excited for this to dry out and really like bring out the curls. So now we're gonna do this side, and I don't know, I feel like I cut this side a little too short. Hopefully I didn't. Just looking a little different from this side, so hopefully it doesn't look too bad. But I'm gonna do the same exact thing that I did to the other side. Like I said, hopefully it's not too short and I didn't mess it up, because if I messed it up, I'm gonna be sad. I'm just gonna work this in and with my Lotta Body foaming mousse. So yeah, we're just gonna do the same exact thing. So far the curls are popping, so I don't think I messed it up, y'all. Hopefully I didn't mess it up. It's just cutting. When it comes to cutting hair, I just trying to get one side to look like the other side. I just can never do it. I don't know, the ends seem like they're not like wanting to hold product in. I don't like when my ends are like puffy like that. Into the hair. There we go. Now it's working. Okay. So both sides is now complete. You guys can see I still have products in here, so I think I'm gonna blow dry it, diffuse it, whatever you wanna call it. As for my natural hair, I don't know, I might just let it air dry. I don't know yet, we'll see. I'm gonna part this again in the middle as so. Get this as straight as I can. For my natural hair, I'm gonna use water. I'm gonna take some of my spray bottle. I want this to blend in as best as I can get it. It really shouldn't be that hard for my real hair to blend in because this wig is curly, so it really shouldn't be that difficult. So I'm gonna use my Can2 Define and Shine Custard for my real hair, my leave out, whatever you wanna call it. We're gonna put this on because like I said, we want this to blend in as best as it can. I could probably use some of this too on my real hair. So now I decided I was gonna let it air dry, but I'm just gonna speed up the process a little bit. So I am gonna use my blow dryer. So that was everything for today's video. I really hope y'all enjoyed today's install. If you guys would like to purchase this wig, also if you would like to know all the information to this wig, do not forget to check my description box down below. I will also have a coupon code. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video.